David Henson, are proud to present to you the pride of Central High School, your nationally awarded Lightning Dance Team, under the direction of Julia Webb. 2015-2016 sponsors include Furniture Medic, Metadyne, Rita Lister at Highland Mortgage, Kimberly Tate, Carver, and the Carver team at Killer Williams. Managers for the Lightning Dancers are Renee Comita, Izzy Diaz, Sydney Beebe, Shelby Muir, Emma Spall. This year's social officers are President Catherine Yancey, Vice President Junior Haley Conklin, Historian Junior Gail Anderson, Chaplain Junior Jordan Shepard, Treasurer Senior Mariana Gutierrez, Secretary Senior Julia James. The 2015-2016 dance officers are Junior Lieutenant Jacqueline Crable, Junior Lieutenant Mackenzie Mackey, Senior Lieutenant Amy McCall, Senior Lieutenant Cynthia Tapia, and Captain Leslie Vaughn. This week's performance is dedicated to the Ladies Charger Volleyball Team, Spirit Girl of the Week is Roland Wilson, Dancer of the Week is Lightning Dancers will be performing a popular tune accompanied by the Central High School Charger Band. Here is